Vitamin D, an essential micronutrient which enable our body to absorb calcium in order to strengthen our bone, joint, and teeth. Vitamin D also improves our muscle recovery and our mood. If you ever feel weak and lack of motivation during your workout, vitamin D is the perfect vitamin for you. Without vitamin D, our body are not able to absorb calcium. However, research has shown that vitamin D deficiency remains the most common medical conditions worldwide. Especially in Asian countries, it is prevalent that up to 59% of the populations are lack of these essential micronutrients. Here are the two main reasons. 1. Our modern lifestyle. Our modern lifestyle had allowed most of us to do all kinds of activities indoor. We work our job indoor, exercise indoor. Electronic games had also shifted most of the children's playtime indoor. This causes to have lack of sun exposure, which impedes our body to make its own vitamin D. Secondly, our diet. Vitamin D present only in a few types of food. If we are not eating selectively for it, we might miss this essential nutrient entirely in our diet. These are the food which we eat regularly. They contain none to insignificant amount of vitamin D. In this episode of Tasty 500, I'm going to show you a delicious and easy way to get these essential nutrients into our body. Spinach and mushroom quiche. This dish contains two ingredients that are rich in vitamin D. Our first ingredient is kampong chicken eggs, also known as village chicken eggs in Malay English translation. They are basically free-range eggs. The chickens which lay these eggs are raised in an environment where they are able to roam freely between indoor and outdoor. This allows them to get sun exposure and their body are able to make their own vitamin D for themselves as well as for their eggs. Our next ingredient is UV-treated Portobello mushrooms. Of course, you can use other type of mushroom like shiitake mushrooms in place of Portobello mushroom. Mushroom itself has little vitamin D. However, when they are exposed to sunlight or UV light, the vitamin D in them increases tremendously. To increase the amount of vitamin D in mushrooms, you can place your mushroom under the sun for 5 to 6 hours. Or, for climate that rains regularly, you can treat your mushroom with UV light, like what I'm doing here. The UV light bulb which I'm using here is meant for reptilian and amphibian keeping. You can easily get this light bulb from a pet shop. Check out the link in the description below to find out more information about increasing the amount of vitamin D in mushrooms by UV treating the mushroom. Now, let us marry these two vitamin D packed ingredients into a delicious meal.